for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, child safety locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.